electromagnetic induction by changing area of loop inside magnetic field. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर जो एरिया आ रहा है, हमें एक्चुअली जो फॉर्मूला है क्या, E इक्वल्स माइनस बी ए कॉस थीटा. area is not actually the area of coil, it is the of loop area of loop और coil कहाँ, इनसाइड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर अंदर जो एरिया आ गया, केवल वही एरिया कंसीडर करना है. अगर किसी कॉइल का कुछ एरिया मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के बाहर भी निकल रहा है तो हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है उससे. देखिए अब कैसे इसी फिनोमिनन को यूज करते हैं हम, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन बाय चेंजिंग एरिया ऑफ लूप. बहुत ध्यान से समझिएगा, सिंपल है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सिंपल है, वही है एक्चुअली जो अभी हमने किया था, बस थोड़ा सा. दिस इज द यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, this is uniform magnetic field. Okay, and there is a rectangular loop. This is a rectangular loop. with its one side L. हालांकि छोटी साइड है लेकिन फिर भी मैंने इसको L लिख दिया, doesn't matter. It is moving out of magnetic field with velocity v. It is moving out of magnetic field with velocity v. With velocity v, right? After time dt, the position of loop is this. This is the position of loop after time dt. Still it is moving with velocity v. What? It came out of magnetic field by length dx in time dt. Dx in time dt. Then the velocity, we will write velocity is equals to dx by dt, rate of change of position, rate of change of displacement, distance. Correct? Induced EMF minus d by dt b a cos theta. Here theta equals what? 0. Angle between magnetic field vector and area vector. What is the area vector? Area vector is the perpendicular drawn on the plane of coil. So what is the direction of perpendicular drawn on the plane of coil? This is the direction. Yeah, this is the direction. और यही मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, दोनों के बीच एंगल कितना? 0. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड E इक्वल्स माइनस d by dt b into a. Here the magnetic field is constant. Since b is constant, then E equals b dA by dt. Now what is the change in area? What is the change in area? This is the change in area. This is the change in area. How much it is? It is L into dx. So the change in area is L dx by dt. Now what is dx by dt? E equals minus BL. What is this dx by dt? It is the rate of change of position, giving the velocity with which it is moving out. So minus E equals minus BLV. BLV वोल्ट, वही का वही आ गया जो आ रहा था हमारा पीछे. Actually, you can see a length L, a conductor of length L is moving through the magnetic field perpendicularly to it. Moving through magnetic field perpendicularly to it, and this is the external circuit. जो हमने पीछे किया है सेम है वो. This is the same. A conductor of length L is moving out of magnetic field, is moving through the magnetic field, and this is the external circuit. So here in this equation, in this condition, L, this rectangle is the external circuit. This is the external circuit, and a conductor of length L is moving through the magnetic field perpendicular to its velocity v. So the EMF is same. E equals minus BL. If R is the resistance of this loop, if R is the resistance of the loop, if R is the resistance of loop, then current through the loop equals E by R equals minus BLV by R ampere. Here the negative sign. What represents the negative sign? The negative sign represents that the induced EMF is such that it opposes the cause of its induction. Or simply हम क्या लिख देते हैं? The negative sign is in accordance with Lenz's law. Here what this negative sign represents? The negative sign represents that the direction of induced current is such that it opposes the cause of its induction. Or simply we can write the negative sign is in accordance with Lenz's law. इतना सा भी लिख देंगे तो भी काम बन जाता है. न्यूमेरिकली इसका कोई हैसियत होती नहीं है, लेकिन हम लगाते जरूर हैं इसे. Lenz's law ने ये कहा था, the direction of current is such that it opposes the cause of its induction. यहाँ से करेक्ट. क्लियर हो इतनी बात? ये